People of America. You do know you're supposed to go out and vote today, right? Yes, but we're not going to talk about that. Oh, wait, we're going to talk about the weather, or what's not going on with the weather in terms of tropical cyclones. There is now something on the map, which is, did I say that's Halo the Armageddon report, by the way? I'm supposed to do that tag, just because then it, you know, I don't know. Right, so 94WP is out there, however, the JTWC does not have any suspect areas tagged on it. And that happens a lot where sometimes, you know, things that are areas of disturbances and whatnot. Let's get the satellite going. So it's somewhere apparently in this bank of clouds there's somewhat off of things, possibly. But anyway, so sometimes they turn into outlook areas, sometimes they don't. So, nor'easter-wise, so this is apparently not going to be tropical. This was the whole thing with, you know, Sandy was a tropical storm, and then Sandy was going to become post-tropical and turn into a traditional, more traditional nor'easter type storm, or apparently that's what's on tap or whatnot for the northeast of all places. It's a nor'easter occurring in the northeast, right? So this is tomorrow's thing where they've got snow labeled there. This is the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center. And here's day 3, where they've got the heavy snow up there. Looks like basically the tip of Maine, possibly. And snow for there. So the big problem, of course, with this is the storm that's coming. Is it's going to ravage a lot of the same areas that are still reeling from the impacts of Sandy. So obviously not a great situation there. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise, it's totally great, except for what on earth is going on there. So day 5. Of all things, that would be what? November 10th, because this is the day 4 through 8 map. So day 5, November 10th, which I think is Saturday. I do believe I looked it up. There is going to be, there's a 30% chance of severe weather. And generally, you know, I don't know. They don't always put something on the map. So the fact they put something on the map this far out, that says something in and of itself. But right, if you go read, like any time you go read the medium range thing from the Storm Prediction Center, it's always full of techno mumbo jumbo, whatever the word is. Moo cape, that's, I don't know, but cape is convective available potential energy. I don't remember what MU was, but mean, unstable, I don't know. Right, anyway, so yes, Saturday, in the midst of November. There's stuff gonna potentially be going. I say potentially because, you know, it's far out enough at this point that things could change and things might not happen. But yeah, so day 5, pay attention. So nor'easter, let's go with the appropriate one. Nor'easter type effects starting tomorrow, looks like, for the northeast, again of all places. And then Saturday with that. And then who knows if we'll ever see another hurricane or tropical cyclone again? I'm sure we will. But, you know, hey, it is getting close to the end of the season for these basins out here, so that might actually, I mean, it's possible. I don't know how probable. I'd have to look up statistics or something. But it's possible that we've seen the last of the land-affecting things, anyway, for these basins over here. However, this one runs year-round, and the tropical cyclone seasons for these basins have just begun. Right, that's it for today. Go out and vote, or whatever it is you do. Throw your ballot in the mail, go check a box or some kind of hanging Chad thing. I don't know. Anyway, go do that. Go be a good American. Right, that's it for today. Enjoy your day.